Smile, Junior. It's a new week. What's going on, people? Welcome to the new food vlog of the week. I do have to address something right up front. So I've been doing a lot of editing lately and did a couple videos today that you guys have probably already looked at or whatnot, but I have to apologize. I wear a lot of green shirts, and let me explain myself for a second. Me being a simple man, that I am, I just grabbed the first shirt that's in the not the dresser, the closet that's clean. So if it's hanging up and it's the first shirt, that's what I go to. We do laundry probably every other day around here. Like right now, I can hear the washing machine running. So if you see me and you're like, man, does he ever change his freaking shirt? I do. It's just tomorrow, like if she does laundry tonight and the green shirt's hanging and it's the first shirt up there, I grab the first one. I'm a simple guy. I don't dig through the closet. I don't look for the next clean shirt or a purple shirt or blue shirt. I grab the first shirt. And I've done that on my work shirts. I've had people at work be like, dude, didn't you wear that shirt yesterday? Probably. I don't know. I don't pay attention. If it was clean in the closet and I put it on, you get what you get. That's free. So welcome to the food vlog. I didn't bore you guys with the details. We're just going straight up with some pad thai tonight. I think I did this last go around or the go around before, so you guys have seen it once before. So everybody is almost in the pool here. We're just missing the noodles and the eggs. Waiting for the noodles to get done. Then I put the eggs in, and then right after the eggs, the noodles go in. That way when you stir it, you don't break up the eggs a whole bunch. Everything else is sauteing there. And then we got our standard, you know, cilantro and limes on the side. So that's pretty much it. So I'll get this plated up here in a few minutes and I'll show you guys the finished product. Oh yeah. All right guys, it's dinner time. Everybody's up in the pan there. Boom. Looking sharp. Here we are, dressed to impress, ready to go out on the town. So we got some nuts up on there. Got some peanuts right there. Some cilantro and lime, and we are ready to go to the party. So that is what we got going. Friday night. Welcome to the new week. Dinner. Later, people.
So I'm making dinner tonight, and we're having tacos again. So I have tacos without the sauce going yet. This is before. Some stuff. Dad's going to the grocery store to get more. And then rice is cooking. Not a whole lot right now, but there you go. Here's where we're at dinner, guys. We got taco shells almost done. Happy now?
You're killing it! You're killing it!
Tacos, some shells. Oh, hold on there. And toppings. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry.
If you were
and
prepared all the way, you would have the rice.
We're almost done. Here's Saturday night's dinner. You got lettuce, rice, meat, a little bit of cheese, olives, avocado, and that's it. What?
Gotta wrap it up, dude. You gotta be like, bam, Friday night's dinner, Saturday night's dinner.
Here's Saturday night's dinner.
What's going on, guys? We should get this New Year's Eve party, New Year's Eve shindig dinner thing started. So we're getting a little late to the party here, but I figured I'd show you what the main course is tonight. The main course is going to be some party wings, yeah, and some smoked brisket, yeah. So we're going to get those started, and then I'm going to get everything else prepped and laid out on the island here to pretty much munch on the rest of the night, and that'll do her. We're going to wrap up this New Year's Eve Monday night dinner vlog here. Got everything kind of out. I'm not going to show it all dished up just because there's so much here. I don't know who's going to get what. So we got the wings done, the chicken wings. Zoe whipped up her tater wedges. There's the first batch of wings. I got the ranch made there. Got the big old pile of muffins, and then we got some snacks there with some cheese and salami that didn't last very long. So that is pretty much it. We have fresh ice cream that I was going to make later for the kids as like a little treat, you know, for later in the evening. So that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys are having a good New Year's Eve and gonna get your footing on right, or get your
footing. Go get your footing on right.
What did I mean there?
I love you. That's what I meant.
I don't know. You guys, hopefully you guys have a happy new year or whatever, and we'll catch you tomorrow later. Oh, and P.S. The brisket's on the smoker. I forgot to show you that. It's low and slow. Didn't plan that out very well, so it still has a couple 2-3 hours left on there. So that might be like a 10 o'clock snack later, but that is on there and that is cooking later. Happy New Year's, peoples. So it is post New Year's Eve and we are cleaning up the rest of the grub here. So I had that smoked brisket last night that we never got to, but it makes a great leftover. So here's what we got going down for dinner tonight. We've got the smoked brisket right there. Look at that. Look at the juice in that. A little bit of rice and a salad with some carrots, some avocado on there, cucumbers. So that pretty much wraps it up. So that takes care of New Year's Day, which is what day?
Tuesday.
Tuesday night's dinner. Later.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. The kids are acting like crazy people. So it is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. School's back in session on Monday. So we're all just going a little stir crazy, including me. So, but we are having, I will get to tonight's dinner, but I'm making beef stew in the Instant Pot tonight, but I really want bread to go with stew. You have to have that. So I am using Danielle Walker's Eat What You Love book. I guess this is her latest book. It was just released in December. And she has on page 48, she has a nut-free lunchbox bread. Now I'm really excited about this. If your kiddos have nut allergies or they go to a school Gracie did in the spring where it was nut-free, so we had to get really creative. Anyway, this one does not have nuts in it, but the thing that made me really excited is because it doesn't have, metal spoon, that'll be really good. To burn myself, guys. Hang on, let me get this metal spoon out. We're okay. We are okay. Anyway, so when you use like cashews, let me turn this down. When you use cashews, like for example, and ground them up, or almond flour in breads, it can get expensive, you guys, if you use nuts in your homemade bread. I've never made bread before. So Josh and I got a bread machine back in 1999 when we got married, and we probably put on a lot of weight because of that in college. It was so good. But since then, I have not made a bread. So I'm excited because if we like this, our whole family is going to eat this bread. It's supposed to come out looking like that, which is really cool. Hopefully it does. And I need some help, guys. It's calling for active dry yeast, all natural. I trust Danielle Walker wholeheartedly. And on the back of this, it says does not contain wheat, gluten, or other cereal protein. So I'm good, right, guys? Tell me, let me know in the comments. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to, it's kind of a step process. You have to give yourself plenty of time if you make this bread because the dough sits for an hour at room temperature. So anyway, I'm really excited for this. I hope it comes out good because some good old bread with like jam on it. I've just been craving that, or apple butter or honey or just all that good stuff. So, okay, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
All right, kitten, bring it on home.
So
What do you got going on there?
it turned out real good. Look at that.
Beef stew.
It was supposed to be done before church tonight and it didn't get done. So it was nice and warm to come home to.
After church.
After church, but it turned out really good.
Nice.
The thing that I'm proud of the most is this.
Yeah, look at
bread,
that.
guys, turned out really, really good.
That looks fantastic, and I'm glad that it's completely cooled off because I have a feeling if that was hot with a little bit of butter, I'd eat the whole loaf.
Yum. This is a treat to us.
It is.
So, bread turned out good.
So that is
dinner at 8:30.
Wednesday night's dinner, guys. Later. What's going on, peoples? Happy Thursday. Happy last day of this week's vlog. We're wrapping it up here, so we are going to cook something real nice, Clark. Real nice. So we got sticky rice going down in the Instant Pot. It's got 2 minutes left. I didn't plan that very well. And then we're doing shrimp and sausage jambalaya out of our Danielle Walker Eat What You Love book. So we'll do a midpoint here. Got the sausage all browned up. Got all the fixings here to go in still. Just put the veg in there. Gonna saute that up for a few minutes and then put all the spices in and then tomatoes in and then let it go. And then I've got 2 pounds of shrimp right there. So we'll get all this into the pot here and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And then we'll throw that over some rice and we'll call that done deal. All right, guys, we got all the flavors up in the pool there. Sausage is out and we are about ready to, this is simmered for about 20-25 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and throw the shrimp in. Let the shrimp cook for 2 or 3 minutes, kind of get them half cooked. And then throw the sausage back in and heat it back up. And then throw that over some rice and then boom, dinner. Looking good, look at how fresh and juicy that looks. So we got some sausage up on there, got some shrimps. Got some shrimps on the Barbie there.
You have to tell our people that if there isn't a recipe, that there's no recipe.
I showed them it was out of the book.
Okay, good.
No recipe, guys. This one's out of the book. Remember that. So that wraps up
or
this.
Or you could go to her blog, againstallgrain.com.
Againstallgrain.com is Daniel Walker's blog.
And you can try and find it there.
We found a lot of them before we bought the books. We found a few of them on her blog that are in the book. So you got that going for you.
YouTube, and it's worth the price of admission to get the book.
Yeah, it is. The book's good. So that wraps us up this week, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for shopping. Right? Everyone's eating. They're just like not even talking. They're just shoving their face. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment if there's something you guys liked on here or want to see again or whatever. And we will catch you on the next food video. Slater.